This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a header in Elementor Pro. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and find the Elementor theme builder. From there, select the header option to start creating your custom header. You can choose to begin with a pre-designed template, which offers a quick start, or opt for a blank canvas to build your header from scratch, giving you complete creative control. Once you've chosen your starting point, it's time to design. Utilize Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface to add essential widgets such as your site logo, a navigation menu, and a search icon. Customize each widget's appearance by adjusting colors, typography, and spacing to match your brand. Fine-tune column widths and section settings to achieve a perfectly balanced and visually appealing layout for your header. After designing, you need to set the display conditions. This step determines exactly where your new header will be visible on your website. You have the flexibility to display it across your entire site, ensuring a consistent look, or assign it to specific pages, posts, or categories. You can also exclude the header from particular areas, giving you precise control over its visibility. The final step is to save and publish your masterpiece. You can save your header as a draft if you need more time for adjustments, or publish it directly to make it live on your website. Before finalizing, always preview your header on different devices, such as desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, to ensure it looks fantastic and functions perfectly across all screen sizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.